Someone just asked me if you could see your TikTok watch history, like all the videos you watched on TikTok. And there is a way to do it from the TikTok app, but it is a few steps. So let me show you how to do it. Let's go to the Me page here, the profile page, and let's press the 3 lines up here. And what we want to do on this page is go to privacy, and under the privacy tab right here, it says personalization and data. Go to this page and you could actually download all your TikTok data. So this is actually something that gets downloaded to your phone. Let me press that here. And it says data request. So request data and download the data. Now download is going to be empty. So you need to press request first. And then you could try to just get a text file here so it's easier to open than a JSON file. And depending on how big or how long you've been using TikTok, in my case, it says it will take up to 4 days for getting this, but I'm gonna press request data here and your data is being processed pending. And whenever it becomes available, it's gonna be in the download folder and I'll show you that as soon as it's ready. So in my case, it took about 3 days and I finally got a message. Let me show you what it looks like. It's gonna say the file you've requested from TikTok is ready. So let's go ahead and download it here to our phone. So you should have a link. This does expire though in 4 days. So make sure you download it as soon as you get that message, because one time I tried to do this and it expired before I downloaded it. I'm gonna press download. And I'll have to log into TikTok here on the TikTok website in order to do the download. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that here. And then finally, after the verification, I'll press download and download it to my phone right over here. And on the iPhone, for example, you could just press this download option and then see all your downloads over here. Android has a similar option, and then press the search. And on iPhone, it opens this app called Files. On Android, it has an app just like this where you could view zip files like this if you go ahead and unzip them. So now I could go into this. If it doesn't open though, look up for an app called Files on iPhone and Android. And it's a free app. It usually comes with your phone anyway. And on here, you could look up all kinds of things with your accounts, but I care about activity in this case. And under activity, it's going to show me all kinds of things like who I'm following, followers, login history. In this case, I want to see video browsing. And if you don't have any kind of text reader, again, you might need to download some kind of a text reader here, but I have one on my phone. So you could try to open it here with just a regular text reader. A lot of phones already have it. If not, just Google a text reader. And here's my text file. I'm going to open it. And this is going to show me the link to all kinds of the different videos that I've watched on TikTok. And to see what they are, you could always copy and paste them and look at the URL here. But it's going to say video link and the date it was watched, including the time here as well. And there should be a whole bunch of them over here to look at. And that's how you find your TikTok watch history on your account. I hope you found it useful. Please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you next time.